Okay, hello YouTube, it's Kelsey Vibration. I am now at the post office. I'm gonna go ahead and drop off, put my car in park. I'm so excited, you guys. We're shipping off our 23, or we're dropping off our 23andme collection kit. It's going into here. Wait, how do you put it in there? Yeah. Okay. Wait, do I put it in there? Yeah. So it goes in there. I'm new to this. Look at the beautiful sky. I'm at the post office. And yes, this is me before I find out my DNA results, unaware of who I truly am as far as my roots. But we're gonna find out after, whenever it comes back, we'll find out. So I'll be a brand new person the next time you see me. Thank you for enjoying your present moment with my present moment. And I'll see you in the next video, which will be very exciting when those DNA results come back. So yeah, peace. Hope you're having a great one.